Good morning, good morning. All right, so I figured out the encoder thing yesterday. Um, Let me show you what I did. Because I found out that apparently, like mechanical encoders or encoders, whatever you want to call it, have like a significant amount of bounce or noise or whatever you want to call it. So what I did to try to mitigate that a bit is I made a kind of like a state machine where you have to go like to state zero, right? You have to start at zero, and then you have to go to either uh, O1 or 10, right? Depending on the direction, and then depending on that, you have to go. Or no, not depending on that. You have to go then complete the next one, and then based off of the direction you're already going, you have to go either 10 or O1, and then you have to go back to zero, right? Um, but if I remember correctly, say we plug this in, and then we open the monitor. If we go one direction, right, it's good. The other direction is good. But if we switch back and forth, right, if we like switch in the middle of a switch, it'll that's when it gets messed up, right? So you have like uh let me see. I actually haven't thought about this just yet, but like cuz you could feel it like when you're spinning the encoder. So like when you're in the middle of a step, so it would be like say or in the middle of a sequence, right? So say you already went to either 0 1 or 1 0, and then or it could even be OX 1 1, right? And then you go the other direction, right? So you go back to 10 or O1 or um 10. That's when it messes up. So I think what I need to do is just check for invalid sequences, which is a different thing in and of itself. uh I think what I can do here. Oops, I forgot to start my timer. So what I could do here, I think, is say like here we have reset because you have to at least be here. If we're at zero, it doesn't matter, right? And you're not in between the step. So let's say, wait, when did we check for 1 1? Oh, here. Okay, so the question is, do we get messed up at 1 1 or do we get messed up at 0 1? If not direction. Okay, so let's do a little bit of debugging because we have to figure out which. No, because we should just check the sequence regardless. We shouldn't like figure out where the mess up is coming because that has the possibility of changing. Because I guess you could stop. Yeah, you can stop at either, I guess. Um, so we will have to keep track of that. So it would be like if we don't have direction, then we start at a default one, right? So it would be we start at zero, and then we can go to O1 or 1 0, right? And given that, we then move on, break out into our other ones. So we would start at either O1 or 1 0. Um, so if we're at that, then we'd have to go 11 and then here and then back to 0. But back to 0 would be that when we go back to 0, we go back here. So we're good on that. And then for the other one, it would be 1 0 looks 11, and then it's sort of just opposite, right? So given that we have that, I guess we can make like 2 variables and then make this just an array of arrays, right? So we could make it like we could make it like, for example, well, actually let me pull up another one. Application Pico examples, encoder, right? So let's move this up here, and then I'll just keep this open. So we can say const uint 8 underscore t. Let's just say template equals that, and then we uncomment this, but then this needs to have this needs to have this. I think this needs to have this. I don't remember. I don't think so though. So here's the thing, is that this is, I think we can map this. So like say we have, because this is just one big array at the end of the day, right? But this would be like this, because you have, this will be the index of said array, or yeah, this would select one of the arrays, and then this one would select which one, right? Wait, but this would be, so we had to go by steps. So like, how would we do this? We would go, so this is 0, this is 1. Then we could 2. So these could just be steps. We could just be like static. Actually, let me do this over here. Okay, anyway, so we would have static uint 8 underscore t array selector equals 0, right? So we start at the first one, and then underscore t index selector, I guess, equals 0 as well. So we start in this Load file. I don't know why it's not automatic right now. We start in this upper left one. And then if we get yeah, because how would you verify that? I guess you can, what we can do instead is just hold the previous state. And then put checkers for it. You do it. Yeah, because dir is set at this point, so you only go through this once. And then if not reset, okay, so yeah, we do need to keep track of previous state. I kind of want to make the array thing work. So we can, I don't think having this is a good, wait, what was that? Why aren't these two files linking? Usually they do. Anyway, I could just do it in one. It's not that big of a deal. I don't think this is gonna work. So what can we do to verify where we're at in the thing? So I think selecting which one of these would work. Which one of their arrays, but question is, how do you know which one you're on and which one to switch to? So if we're on the first one and we make this like this, okay, what if we make this a character, and that'll give me one nibble. And then interesting. So this could be the selector for both of these. And then Hmm. We go this direction. This is 1. Hmm. So we would have each one moving about, and then we would go to this first one, and then say we're going in the proper direction, right? And we're just gonna go to OX1, right? We're still in the first array, but now we're in the second element, which corresponds with this actually. But these numbers won't correspond, or won't be right. And then even if we combine these two, this one will have to have different elements. Let me think. How do we traverse this and smartly get the indices at the same time? Unsigned character. We get so 1. Or no, we go there, get 1, then we go to 1. We are still at 1. We get the next one. We need to go to 1. And you can't. Wait a minute. So if we do like this, or no, we start at 0, and then let's say we go to 1, and then we go to 2, and then we go to 3. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. So this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third, this is the fourth. We go, this is our selector. Then in this case we would be at what? The second one. So if we put this here, right? That gives us that. right now. No, because that would only work for the first one again. What am I doing wrong? I'm thinking about this wrong in some way. Okay. Let's do this another way until I can think of a way to solve this problem. So how do we verify that we've gone in the right direction? So we need to start at 0. We need to start at 0. And what is reset again? Where's reset set? Okay, so that's not. Okay. So if not dir. Okay, so we know that we're starting at 0 correctly. We're going through, we're just not error checking here, which means that we need to make sure we can hold a previous state. Right. And then say a previous state at this point the case is that we say previous state equals state if previous state does not equal 0, then state equals 0. We basically want to restart. Well, what do we do? So dir now equals. No, because we shouldn't have set that right now. Yeah. So state just equals 0, I think. Else right? There equals that, blah 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 blah. Why is this not format? Can't find file, state, and path. I don't know why it's not formatting. Anyway, then we say else. Then previous state equals state. And if it's anything else, that means it was what? 1, 1 or 0? 0, we can just keep it there, it doesn't matter. And then 1, 1, we handle it here, in which we say if state equals last, then oh wait. So first we need to check, like, hey, is the previous state wait, I'm gonna need two of these. Is the previous state x01, or is the previous state x10? If so, then we need to set the state equal to 0, the direction equal to 0, and last equal to 0. Right? Else, this is the last one, we do the same thing. Wait. We need to set previous state equal to state. Then we say the previous state, if wait, I did this wrong. If it's not equal to both. Yeah, because we're expecting OX01 or OX10. Right? So we do that, blah, 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 blah. And then we say if previous state does not equal 11 or 17, then we say what? We say state equals OX00. I don't know if we need all of this. I really don't think we do, but it doesn't really matter to me. Then we will continue doing the loop. And then for this one, previous state equals state. Wait. No, we don't want to do that. We didn't change the state. I see. I think we do want to do this. Because if we come here and it's 1, 1, wait, hold on. So we're here. We're expecting 01, which we set here. Wait, did I need the previous state? Why didn't I just... Oh, I see. Because the state changes at this point. Okay, I get you. Ow. Uh-oh. 98. I am missing a parentheses. You're so right. Except I didn't need this one to begin with. Oh, let me change the... Alrighty. Let's see what we got going here. Oops. Oh yeah, I did restart W. My beloved SDA1. Oh wait, did I even move it? It's always 0, which is not right. If not state and reset. The direction isn't getting set. But how do we get all the way down here then? Because what is the state? Previous state. Wait, did I copy it? I don't think I did. Yeah, I didn't. I just melted it and called it a day. Okay. So let's open. I don't know what I just dropped. So it's passing on the 0 state. What are we messing up? Oh, maybe the direction is getting reset. Because if the direction doesn't get reset, then we go through here, and then reset's not set either. So it goes through here, but the previous state would have had to equal OX11. Let's print everything. And then previous state. And then reset. Oops. Previous state, and then reset. Let's reset that. Build. Encoder. Disk L mount CC1 encoder. Let's open the monitor. Okay, reset is always 1. That's why. But how? Reset is true at this point. So if we fail here, set equals false. I guess we could just reset literally everything. Wait, actually. Oh, of course. Oh, I need a break here too. Okay, let's reset this. Now nothing is sending. If the previous... Okay, let's think this through. So we go through here, we start at 0. And then we go here from 0 to... Okay, yeah, this starts at 0. So we go to here, assuming that it's 01. So the direction is 01. The previous state is now 01. And we go down here, right? Oh, I see. If... No, never mind, because direction is set now. So we go here, and the previous state is 01. But if it's not last, then we don't do anything. Now we wait until... Wait, no. I think I'm missing a part of the state machine. Okay, I'm undoing all of this. Because I'm missing the check for 1-1. Wait a minute. So, if we're here, couldn't we make it where it's like... we have a start define, and then we have a counterclockwise start, and then a full, and then a counterclockwise end, and then start, and that would be the sequence. So we would go like start, counterclockwise start, and then, oh, I meant clockwise. This will be clockwise start, this will be full, and then this will be clockwise end, right? So this could be 1. 1. Wait, no, that wouldn't work. So for each one, we have zero. Wait, no, this will be 1. Oh, I think I'm thinking. So we can make it 0, or let's do it in binary, right? Because we can mask it for the last 2, and that will give us 4 slots, right? And then say like clockwise start would be 1, counterclockwise start would be like something like this, right? No, because it would have to be 2, right? And then we mask it, and that gives us the positions. If you mask it by the last 2 bits, and then we would then do clockwise start was already 1. Wait, let's do right, and then full would have to be 2, right? But we already have one of those, so it would have to be like that. And then end would have to be a 3, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think I'm cooking something crazy right now. So we have another start, and then we have a counterclockwise start, a full. Oh no, we're missing one. We're looking for. Oh yeah. Zero, 1, 2, 3. Wait. So clockwise end. So it's 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. I think I had it right the first time. And then this would be 0, and then this would have to be 1. Right? We didn't use 101. And then full 0. We can't. Can we reuse this? I think so. And then the end would have to be 1 0 1 1. So oh, you know what we can do? We can use the first 2 bits as a mask for which one we're on, like this one, or this one. Oops. And then the second part is going to be our mask for where we're at index wise. So this would be that. And then we can omit this now. So this would just be this. And then we can add our start back. So it would be, now we have our start, flex, OB, sorry, 1, and then full OB 0010, and this is a bad name. Reverse. Zero zero. Wait. 1. Oh, this has to be 0. Somehow. Because we need. Or we could just do 3 and check it manually. Let's do that. But that would also mean that, oh man, wait, oh my gosh, I'm silly. This is supposed to be 1. Then this one's 1. So now clockwise start is OB0101, or we can make this 0, and then 0, right? And then this will be 0. This will be 0101. This will be 0110, and then we can have the end check, which we need start. We need clockwise end. We can call that one clockwise end. OB 0111, and then after CW end and CWW end, or counter CCW end, reset to normal start and send respective key. Okay, so now we have our counterclockwise start, and then OB 1000, OB 1001, OB 1010, OB 1011. So this is now full. This is now counterclockwise reverse. And then this is clockwise end. So we can say define start as OB. It's just 0. Define clockwise start as V. Wait, no. These are the actual values. OX00, OX01. Start as OX. Wait. Yeah, these do have to be the actual value, sorry. Define start as OB, or define clockwise start as OB 01. I can't see, damn. Put a bunch of lines there. Define counterclockwise start as OB 1000. Full as OB 101. These should be all caps. And then full is, or no, we're looking for clockwise reverse. So OB 0110. Clockwise end is OB 1. Clockwise reverse is OB 1010. And then define clockwise end is OB 1011. Okay. Now, can I VW and then do this? Oh my gosh, yes sir. Wait, can I do that for all of this? That's awesome. That is awesome. I love that. Okay. So that is that. And then we could say dir will be the array selector. Cool. I didn't finish it, but I got an idea of how I want to do it now. Because that'll give me all of the states, and then that'll give me error checking as well. Not error, because it's not an error, but you shouldn't be able to switch keys switch directions in the middle. That little one isn't going to matter because you're probably doing it fast anyway, but cool. Okay. That's it for today.